everyone, welcome back. This is Anam and you are watching Biology Nexus. So today we are comparing gene versus alleles. What is gene and what is allele, how they differ, what they are. So let's go with the gene. First one. Gene is actually the section of DNA, we say. Sections of DNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid, and gene which codes for specific trait. Codes for specific traits. Like there's so many genes are present in one organism. We say thousands of genes are present. Thousands of genes in one organism or one individual, and genes are actually the section of DNA that codes for specific traits, and so many genes are present in one individual in single organism. And genes are actually, if example, there are genes for eye color. If you talk about the eye color, there are also genes for metabolism, and there are also genes for cell structure, hand size, and so many other parts of your body, other piece of your body. Every piece of your body have a different gene that code for specific traits. And if you talk about the alleles, alleles are actually the form of genes. Let's take some simple example. It sounds funny, but it's a trick for you that you can memorize, and you can differentiate between both of them very easily. Like form of genes, we take example of an ice cream. For example, ice cream is a gene and it have many flavor. Like there's a mango, there's a caramel, there's a chocolate, vanilla. So these are actually the form of that ice cream, the flavor of that ice cream. So genes is actually, alleles are actually the form of genes. So this is a very simple and basic example. And if you talk about the eye color gene, okay, eye color gene. Let's take another example. There's a green color, blue, brown, hazel, so many colors. So this is the eye color for gene. So what is the basic difference? It's actually the codes for specific trait, gene code for specific trait, while allele specify what form of genes actually take. It specify what form gene takes. This is the basic and very short difference between both of them. Genes are sections of DNA that code for specific trait, while alleles are the form of that genes, and they actually specify what genes take, what form genes takes actually. This is the basic and very short difference between both of them. Hope so you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.